Tisha Yemianum Nigeria for. Nigeria for a very complex, only a complex people. Nigeria for. Only a hard working. Obe Buses here, no. No, we is serious. Or Brazil is serious. Or Tomado is serious. Or Pemo is serious. Where Jimmy So is serious. That's Nigerians. No. Anybody there baby but Nigeria ni huni ni Nigeria so kutaka. Ni Nigeria ni kutaka kwa ni asaje. Hona no echiano kwa oga you make up oga you make up General 1. Hey Charlie, pray for me, pray for me. God bless me to buy my own. Yeah, pray for me, may God bless me, make me to buy my own. Yeah, small, God day. Nigerians, Nimia Elcon no, none in Niaji, and you mean Mumbat, or my general attitude no, Ghana ni, who cry with Kano, oh, me chiao cry. I said, Charlie, I cannot talk out. Nima mi wu ye yao. Nima mi wu ye ndu 1 year. Nima mi wu ye nchai. 6 months I could talk. Hey! Hey! Nima mi wu ye wa talk, jo nima mi wu amon talk. Ah? I didn't go Ghana for. Eh? Adi ye hu se wa ye yie na o ba kra yale. No be a company or necessarily quay dro. No, me say, mineral water be, me me body, mineral water be. On the mineral water, near the diano, pure water. Ne sister, 7 ne sister bodam. But and I'm not necessarily like we drew. Ne sister not like we drew. Ne say Africa Ghana there. O be any Ghana be ye natural. O be any Ghana, just say, Sikepi and Nico, I will be benya a clean money. Obia ye ya we dro. Obia ye wo Ghana ha we dro. Sama yem puti effort. Yem puti, I don't blame you people. It is your pastors. Mo for na superstition. O ma me na eyo, we na eyo. Obi de ade be good dan no. We na eyo, e na wo fie wura, e na fie na wakotre mu no. Fie wura no, o de ade be hye fie ho, e na tu fie ho, e na we adan. Adan African kwa na tumi wo. African kwa na tumi wo. Me say because of asofo ni bi bebre nkom krom. Bebre tie bebre ntumi nkom krom because omo catch the members say uko ukrom a abeyifo na be chewawe ebusuan ho be kwa akofas na abeyifo no me mo ate ase omo ani abie o omo nyina no na te akra ha wo be ko ukrom akọ na abeyifo no kra ba akra be peska ena ko ukrom a me say obi frɛ me say waye boni tia na maame he obi to be free UK obi to be free US obi to be free China obi to be two kwan no wa friend so for say so me ba Ghana na so for say uduru Ghana pe enkofie frɛ me so for odifo o kope akwentum na ofie aba no enkofie kona koda hotel e mama mi kure hu ansa wako e mama mi hu o mama mi ku anim untumi nkobiom obeka Ghana na obie tu kwan fi abrochire aba Ghana ni mama owo ni ba wiase so for wa ma wanko hu ni mama anim to me 3 months pa no go back mami better sister fia yes. Na oba kwam na bai oba adwa bai wenwu no madwa bagana hako madwa bagana hako o mami di ya wo bebre na me ka me kire wo tu mami na say ha boni me na me dia me bai asofo mo and obi tini dan age so 40 name first obi turn the car age so for na first adan they are so fujuma breaking relationships obi to meet bema badafu guy bi wetie na so keke guy if you kaba so for no Ghana guy dey shaso madienti wa catch again say ye ye ache sunsum say guy na nya papa o pege you so awala number so get na 35 get na so chewo we na 35 for say expiring date na ache no na get na so chewo na we you know oba enkosa ebusuanim na so for bisa get no idea David me wale sa tribe no so for catch up some wale sa tribe no munya nipa religion is nice ade ba ko so for yema nipa pe you good they say they give hope to the members. And no encourage members now. Ebeye bompire, and they are good. But we break families too much because of you are depressed. We could do us all them one. We yes to dinner. I'll feel back when we are now. Ye, one man you pan the cope, but I was say. But no stop it, some breaking families. Yeah, I saw and then I saw by Enkasa. Wait, Ninia Enkasa. And our sister be any bro, what sister be any bro, what sister be any bro. Now the baby bass they breaking families down. Sit through near my men, Papa found the entire baby for Papa. Papa found the entire renam, the pen hipanam, na mammy fono. Mammy no bremo, mammy no kutako that 9 months on or yang. I'm out there because of mammy before. Make my woman mammy baby. Mammy. And any man. No mammy. They are babusia for be years near breaking families down. Meso biaka brochire na so for na ama Ghana for you na say ye tu kwanya na bedi Ghana ni so for do say e na tumi hyankom ka say brapa na nyankopon yi a kire me say wo be taxi driver na taxi driver ni mo no nyankopon be bie kwan na wadi ye wo say so for biaka cho me say Sister Dwa, nyankopon yi a kire me say wo be bie choba na choba no wo be satene kakaka na bedi yankasa aw sunsum hwiase me hu say China pona bia ma me hu say America visa bi da wanem na obi adofo me wia me blast spiritual realm no e na me hu say Britain gate bia ma say mu ra sunsum hwiase a abrochie kwan na bie sunsum hwiase on mo kwa Britain gate nkwan ne peyi American obi a mehyan kom se Sister Adwa nyankopon bie kwan ma be Togo ya nka nkyerɛ ensum obi wo ho eye Togo ko be ya no de yi Togo ko be ya o se so fo bia ka Sister Adwa me hu se chance bi bia ma o makola chance bi o makola e ma be di ye o makola ya nka nkyerɛ da every day na be tu kwan na so fo eso madam fo boy yi ni bobo but o se player guy na so for say branch bra so we fi ase ba so bobo na guy na se me bobo so for say ye bie bani na bobo o bobo o se da bi o se tie so ne so bobo hello bitiaro I don't know brother so for na brother so fi ase ba so ye goalkeeper o se da bi menchi krada o se hey so ne so bet just so no cha men pa so Air Force ya who so suit we suit ne we what dress it nicely ya fa so brother hwa we obi a so fi ase akwantu da wedim we coat ne tie no akwantu da wedim ya who so what dress it baby what dress ne ya branch here so fi ase tie peteki na wa be fo bo nsem tokoro ya hwa dress ya na ya hwe wonkom sister bi fi US ya ba akotena so dem wa wale dada every so for na say so for na sister or dress simple sister nyankopon sie akwantu ato wanim na nyankopon se me kan kire say awade na ache ne bebem na sister say so for if you broche da ba ma wale mi ku na wo so for so okay and yeah I'm a network I'm a network now for about spiritual network now. Ya bre. So for be shem kuma to obe bia so a na sister tie be me be fi US obe yo ho ade be me be fi akwanto be yo ho ade be me be di obe yo ho ade be unhu se so for kasa sister pa to so sum hwi ase akopɔ bia mani na you go to guy be wale yen who be that say you go to for them wale enye yi o se so for problem come say sister tie so sum hwi ase taxi driver bi ba be wale a nyankopɔ de be bia kwa ma che say taxi driver for the spiritual realm omo nka ho corrupt pastors, corrupt religious leaders. Let me catch now. Here, the parliament near the Asofo our so-called men of God are corrupt more than our ministers. Me na me catch now. Minister called to my den who is na ketua. And watching the contract. Ono wajis ka so koye ka kwan na wa ka credit. Chemeka so ko didi na djuma ho. asofo mo munya adwuma mo bia munya hwi mo bia mo ti wa na mo ma direction na mo gigi ska kwa some breaky families